Here's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Choose your involvement and your level of relaxation. The handcrafted premium look lures you inside, and the innovation lights up your eyes. With dual 12.3-inch high-resolution screens, multicolor multi-zone LED ambient lighting, navigation, voice control, and Bluetooth. Go anywhere with the power and efficiency of a twin-turbo engine, 7-speed automatic transmission with shift paddles, and the EcoStart stop system. The ride is always smooth with airmatic suspension, adaptive damping system, and the reassurance of safety features including pre-safe, collision prevention assist plus, and attention assist. Next-level comfort is offered by the cabin fragrance system, cabin air purification system, and soft closed doors. This Mercedes-Benz doesn't just challenge the standards, it goes beyond the highest of them. Get behind the wheel today.
At Mercedes-Benz of Coral Gables, we look forward to your visit and deliver excellence at every mile.